Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off send mail haptics vibration on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on settings, and then in the settings screen, we go down and tap on sounds and haptics. Next, go down and tap on send mail. In here, tap on haptics. Now to turn on vibration, you can select one of a pattern. So we've got synchronize pattern. Then you can accent, alert, heartbeat, quick, rapid, SOS, or staccato, or symphony. You can even select your own custom or create your own custom vibration. And that's it. To turn off vibration, just simply select none, which is also the default. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings. Swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.